Sustainable design project, green architecture, eco-architecture, and environmentally conscious architecture is a way of conceiving the architectural design of a sustainable, seeking to optimize resources and systems of the building so as to minimize the environment impact of buildings on the environment and its inhabitants. The Tower of Tomorrow project was commissioned by Fortune magazine, project designed by architect William Madown and partners, which specialize in sustainable architecture. Form and function. Curved forms increase structural stability and maximize enclosed space. This reduces the amount of material needed for construction. The shape is also aerodynamic, diffusion the impact of wind. Tops. Traditional rooftops covered in spall and turf create heat-absorbing surfaces that contribute to the urban heat island effect. Higher temperatures that can alter weather patterns and intensify smoke. A layer of ground cover on these buildings' roof helps to regulate temperatures, protects waterproof coating, and absorbs and cleans storm water. The western side of the buildings is a series of three-story atrium gardens. The greenery brings the outdoors inside, providing a break of nature. Plants clean the interior air, and as leaf colors change, the buildings react in step with natural cycles. The north facade is clear glass covered with positively charged mosses that absorbs particulates of the air. Water is recycled in the building several times over. Greenhouses treat water from sinks and bathtubs for use as irrigation in the building's gardens, a process made possible when no toxic cleaning products are used. Cleansed by the gardens, the water can be used again as non-drinking water, for example in toilets. Strict smarts. After a close study of the sun and shadows, the shape and orientation of the building are tailored to the site. This building faces south toward a park, so it can capture maximum sunlight, and its irregular form allows more daylight to reach the street. Gardens circle the base, contributing to the quality of life at street level. Solar power. The southern facade made about 100 million square feet of photovoltaic panels that convert sunlight into electricity, collects enough energy to provide up to 40% of the building's needs, costing at least 20 cents per kilowatt hour, several times as much as coal or natural gas. Solar PV is expensive today, but the trends are good. Solar is getting cheaper and relative economics will improve as more states and countries regulate the production of greenhouse gases. Building scheme. The structure is built up in layers of materials that perform different functions, from weatherproofing to insulation to transparency. These surfaces are becoming thinner, lighter, and smarter. Productive workspaces. Underfloor air distribution improve air quality. Flexible communal spaces replace fixed individual stations. Chairs and workstations are ergonomic. Smart monitors detect the presence of people and adjust temperatures, light, hertz, and sound as needed. This allows individuals to control their environment hour motto without hertz or cold ghost. Waste equals food. In nature, nutrients are cycled and recycled endlessly. Eco-effective design seeks to mimic those cycles. All products, from built materials to furnishings, are designed to return safely to the earth or to be reused, like office chairs that can be disassembled into components and sent back to the manufacturer to become another product. Heating and cooling. They account for almost 30% of a building energy use by transferring heat between the building and the earth using a system that circulates heat, absorbing liquid throughout underground wells. A building can reduce energy usage. A combined heat and power plant, fueled by natural gas, operates at up to 90% efficient and supplies the power that the solar panels cannot.